Hello viewers, from today, you are not just a viewer. You are now also participant of the first ever theme making event, organized by PVER Programs. Visit this link to know more about PVER WinTheme collection. That link is also in the description below. Simple steps to unleash your ideas with your WinThemes. All you need is any gadget to convert your imagination into theme pack. If you have a Windows PC, right-click on the desktop and click Personalize. Go to the Themes tab and start bringing your ideas to reality. Go to this link to design your own cool theme online. Links in description. By the way, check your theme twice before sharing. Convert your theme to a theme file. Attach it in mail and send it to me. Or send via GForms, link in description. The first live stream video of Cluster series will be dedicated to the best theme. And shoutouts for other participants. So, it's big brain time. Your theme will also be exhibited in the PVER Programs WinTheme collection page.
That's a lot of appreciation for your theme.
That link is also in description. So what are you waiting for? Start designing your amazing theme right now.